Hi everyone, happy 2024. Here I am back with amazing stuff for you. Look at this, how beautiful, delicate, amazing, fierce this is. Don't you love it? And you're going to love it even more because it's so easy and free. So let's start our tutorial. First, go to Leonardo.AI, link will be in the description, no worries. Okay, what now? Now you have recent creations you can use. You can open them and use their prompt, or you can choose your own. On the left, you also have personal feed where you have all your creations, videos or images. This is fast, this is furious, this is fierce, this is beautiful, really. Okay, let's start. So we click on image generation. And you have many styles you can choose from. Just click and choose your own. I'm going with Absolutely Reality V1.6. On your left, you can choose the number of images. Then just click Generate and let's start. Then you wait less than a minute and that's it, you have your image. You also can click here where it says New and you have Generate Motion Video and it will start moving. And the magic happens, yeah. I was so excited about this, and this is really, really good. Of course, some things are not perfect, but you try and try until you get the result you want. The thing is, you have 150 credits you can use per day. I've used mine, so I'm showing you all the things I have done before. So, hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the tutorial, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools ever for you and your projects. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye for now.